Hello viewers, hope you guys safe in this COVID-19 and you guys have enjoyed my previous videos, which is highly appreciated. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe the Payanangal. And today we are gonna see Istanbul, Turkey, which is a highly famous destination in the world. And top most places you have to visit in Istanbul is Water Garden, Hagia Sophia, Basilica Sistine, Gallipoli Restaurant, German Fountain, Haas Square, Blue Mosque, Grand Bazaar, Bosporus Strait and Ottoman Empire Palaces, which is highly beautiful place in the world. Hagia Sophia is the former Greek Orthodox Christian cathedral, later an Ottoman Imperial Mosque and now a museum in Istanbul, Turkey. It is built in AD 537 during the region of Justinian. It is famous for large dome. It was the world's largest building and an engineering marvel of its time. To enter the museum, we had to buy the ticket for the price of 100 lira, and it's really worth it. It is a huge dome, world's largest dome, and very beautiful place in Hagia Sophia. You must visit this place when you are in Turkey. The next place is the Basilica Sistine, constructed in the 6th century during the period of Emperor Justinianus, most prosperous period of the East Roman Empire. The Sistine Basilica is 70 meter in width and 140 meter in length, is covering an area of 9,800 meters square, is supported by 336 marble columns and arranged in 12 rows. For the food, next place we can visit Gallipoli Restaurant, which is 104 years old authentic restaurant. It is the place we can enjoy delicious both vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods, and other thing is we'll get highly authenticated Turkish desserts, which is popular all over the world, and black coffee, which is really awesome. You must try it. Grand Bazaar, which is a beautiful place in Istanbul, is one of the largest and oldest covered market in the world, with 61 covered streets and over 4,000 shops and a total area of 30,700 meters square, attracting between 250,000 to 400,000 visitors daily. The Bosporus is a narrow natural strait and an internationally significant waterway located in northwestern Turkey. It forms part of the continental boundary between Europe and Asia and divides Turkey, separating Anatolia from Thrace. On the left hand side, you can see Europe, on the right hand side, you can see Asia. This is the place connecting between Europe and Turkey. There is a beautiful Ottoman Empire palace which is located on the Bosporus Strait. Under the Bosporus Strait Bridge, there is a lot of famous Turkish restaurants and you can enjoy authentic food over there.